right, so Mark McDowell
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Mark.
is asking where he can find replacement tassels for a dress sporran.
Replacement tassels for a dress sporran.
We've provided them if it's something we made, right?
Yes, it depends. Generally, it's not. Replacement tassels aren't something that are generally sold too often, and the problem really comes in getting one replacement tassel or two replacement tassels. Frankly speaking, replace all three of them. If you have one bovine tassel or one sealskin or one rabbit fur or whatever, it may not match the color of the other two tassels.
Yeah.
So if you're going to replace them, replace all three. It's not something you want to just try to do one of.
Yeah, it's natural material, so the pelt's going to be different. Replacing one could be odd. I mean, if you're really up against it, I guess you could make sure that the oddball is in the center, because there's usually three. But I think I'd play it safe and replace all three.
Yeah. Cross chains would be a bit more difficult to replace.
They're a hassle to work with, I can tell you that, having repaired the sporrans here. But
that being said, it's not often you lose a cross chain tassel because there's two chains holding it on.
Yeah, aesthetically, I've always preferred cross chains.
Yeah,
but
me too.
Yeah, from a technical standpoint, also, I'd say they're more rugged. There's a reason they were invented. They don't make quite as bad of a drumming, I don't think.
That's exactly what I was going to say. They don't drum as much because they don't go side to side and up and down. They just only go up and down. So they're held in place a little bit better.
Yeah, they're definitely more secure. I've had a couple of... I understand the annoyance, because I've had a couple of occasions where I came close to a tassel just ripping off, a single chain tassel, and just like it gets caught on something, and it's just... Ugh. But... now if it's a sporran that we provided, can we help him get tassels that would be an appropriate fit?
Yeah, my point would be, it's not something we have on the website, but my point would be, if you're going to replace a tassel, replace all three.
Right.
And tassels don't have to be the same fur as the sporran. If you have a fox fur sporran and want to replace three tassels on it, you can get a gray, well, I don't know, gray bovine,
black,
but black rabbit fur or musquash would be good. Or if you have a gray bovine sporran, black tassels would look fine there too.
Yeah, change it up a little bit.
Yeah, having a two-tone kind of thing with the sporran isn't a bad thing.
Yeah, not uncommon.